Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, then I'm Sravya. I do videos related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle, reviews, cooking, everything has possible I can do. So today is another review video. In fact, it is a review video where you're going to do your facial at your home in very easy steps. And if you want to know which brand is that and what facial is that regarding, then please keep on watching. Before heading to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Now without any further ado, let's start with the video. So yeah, this is the brand which I am talking. It is the Banjara's Pearl facial kit. So before also I have reviewed some facial kits in my channel, so another part of this. So I'm going to do the instructions come review on this video. So as you can see, there are 4 tubes, 1 2 3 4, and they have each steps, and all the steps has been written here behind, and step by step you have to do this. First is the pearl cleansing scrub, then the pearl massage gel, then pearl massage cream, then last is the face pack. They have given it how to use the ingredients, the key ingredients, everything is being given here. So while going through this, I'm going to talk to you one by one all the ingredients and the description given how to use and all. Firstly, coming to the price and the net weight. This product is having the 60 grams of the tube, and it is for 225 rupees, and I will be leaving down all the links down for this product to be bought on the online. If you get in the offlines also in the mini store, but if you are the person who are going to shop on online, I'm going to link some links also in the description box. So yeah, this was the little description about this product. Now let's jump into the process of this facial kit. So I'm going to open this facial kit. It is somewhat like a box, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it is something this way, the box. Once you get, you can open it like a case. I have dropped the things. So yeah, this is the facial kit, how this comes, and it has the case of that you can close it and keep it safely, the case, so that the tubes won't get lost. So yeah, that is a good handy thing. So now coming to the first part, which is the pearl cleansing scrub. The tube is something like this, if you can see. This is the tube, and this tube contains 15 grams of the product is there in this tube. So yeah, the key ingredient of this products are sunflower oil, wheat grams oil, cucumber butter, papaya extracts, walnut scrubs are there in this, and the description is here. Preparation: wash your face with the lukewarm water. Step 1, apply a small amount of the cleansing scrub on your face. Gently massage it in the circular motion for a few minutes. Wipe off with the cotton or wash it off. So yeah, this is the first step. Now I'm going to wet my face here. I have some water here. I'm going to wet my face like this. After wetting it, I'm going to take the small amount of this pearl cleansing scrub. It is something in this consistency. It's a little bit runny kind, the thick runny consistency. So yeah, there are not harsh granules in this, very soft granules, I can feel that, and I'm going to gently massage it in the circular motion as they have described in the description below. And yeah, I'm nowhere in the expert in the facial techniques and all, just I'm going to do how I know. I might be wrong also how I'm doing, but yeah, this is the way I regularly do my facials. And make sure whenever you're giving the strokes to your face, it should be an upward motion so that your skin doesn't be loosed. Don't never do this way. This is the wrong technique. You should do it in upward motion. And be careful that you are not going around your eye area and on the lips, that are both most sensitive part on our skin, I mean on our face. So yeah, this is the process how you need to do. Scrub it till all the scrub has been absorbed on your face. So yeah, literally there is nothing on my face now. This is the time to wash your face, but I'm going to wipe it off with a wet cloth, or you can use a wet cotton also, but this is the cotton napkin, so I'm going to wash it off and wipe it off with this. So yeah, this is my face after the cleansing part, I mean the cleansing scrubbing part. You can see the instant variance on my face. That is the reason that some of the faces been getting vast difference after the cleansing or scrubbing, whatever is it, that in that category I am. That if I do a normal scrub also, my face feels very fresh and clean and all. So next comes to the another process, that is the pearl massaging gel. This is the tube of pearl massaging gel, and this is also having the 50 grams of the product. So let's see the ingredients and how to do it. So coming to the ingredients, it has a vegetable glycerin, papaya extract, cucumber extract is there in this. And coming to the usage, it says that apply a small amount of Banjara pearl massaging gel on your face, gently massage it in the circular motion for a few minutes. Wipe off with the moist cotton or wash it with water. So as it says, you need to just apply it a small amount on the face and give a good massage. So I'm taking this product on my hand. It is a, as you can see, this is a white jelly consistency product. It is not a complete transparent product, but yes, this is a white product which is having a little bit of transparent in that. I'm going to just take it in my hands. I'm going to just rub it and just starting massaging on my face. The fragrance of this, it literally gives the fragrance as normally you use the facial kits. Till now, whatever facial kits I have used, all are in the same smell. Other than the Azafas organic facial kit, that literally smells very good with the fruits and all, fruit smell and all. So yeah, massage it very well so that all the gel is being absorbed by your skin. Enjoy your massage while you're doing it, and they are asked to do in the circular motions, that because it is good for your skin blood circulations. So yeah, it's been a couple of minutes I'm massaging this gel. It is almost absorbed my skin. Now it's time to wipe it off and forward to the next step. I have wiped off the gel. Now it comes to the next step. The next step is the massaging cream. The massaging cream is in this tube, something like this, and it is 50 grams of product. And the best part of the tubes that I have noticed just now, behind each and every tube they have given the number of the process. Like this pearl cleansing scrub has the number 1 tube, and the pearl massaging gel they have given the number 2. Then the pearl massaging cream they have given number 3, and I guess for the face pack they will have given the number 4. So if you literally lose this card also, there is no issues. They have already given the tubes with the step by step. So yeah, that is also the best part. So now let's read the key ingredients and the directions of this. The key ingredients is sunflower oil, wheat gram oil, then vegetable glycerin, papaya extracts, cucumber extracts, vitamin A and vitamin E. And this product is need to be used. Apply a small amount of Banjara pearl massage cream on your face. Gently massage it in the circular motions for few minutes. Wipe it off with a moist cotton or with wash it off. So as normal as they have given, I'm taking this massaging cream on my hand. It is literally like other creams you get. So I'm going to show you how it is. This is how the cream is. If you can see, I'm going to take a rub it in between my hands, and I'm going to give it a good massage with this cream. It's a little bit thick and heavy cream, and that is good also because it gives a good moisturization effect to your skin. It's been a couple of minutes that I'm massaging this cream on my face. Now it is time to wash it off. The last step of this facial kit is this pearl facial pack, and the description is given here. And the key ingredients first is the Multani Mitti light cologne, then sunflower oil, wheat gram oil, vegetable glycerin, papaya extract, cucumber extract. So the step of this is apply a small amount of Banjara national face pack evenly on your face and the neck area. Avoid using around your eyes. Allow it to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off properly with the lukewarm water. So yeah, this is the process of that. Now I'm going to apply it evenly on my skin. I'm going to use my hand wholly for applying this. I'm not going to use any other brush or tool, whatever it is. I'm giving a very thick layer. I have forgot to show you, this is something like this. If you can see, it has a little bit of pearl effect going on this. Yeah, there is a pearl powder in this. That is the reason. That is the effect giving you on the skin. It is not like a proper face pack. I feel there is a little bit of creaminess in this. As described in this, I'm avoiding the eye area so that there won't be any problem in further application, further problems because of this. As it's described in the packaging that you have to leave it for 15-20 minutes till it dries, so I will be up after 15-20 minutes once it's dried. So yeah, it has been the while that it's on my skin and it's got dried. Now I'm going to wash it off with the lukewarm water. I'm just wiping it off. Yeah, this is the final look after doing that all steps of facial. There is a vast difference in my face that I can feel. My skin is very smooth, soft, and it's been ready for going for any functions or whatever you're having. This is the best and affordable facial kit. You can do it on home. This is just for 225 rupees, the Pearl facial kit, that you can use almost 4 to 5 times. This pack can be lasting. Facial kit for 225 rupees, that also for 4 to 5 times. I guess it is a very good deal. If you go for a parlor or somewhere in the salon, or if you call the person also at the home for Pearl facial, you won't get that much less price, and in the lots of, it won't take that much effort also. You have seen that I'm not taken out lots of effort, and I've not done any instant skills of the facial and all. I have just done what I have known, and you can see the vast difference in my face. It is a very good facial kit. You can use it at home, and it is pocket friendly also for you guys if you want to do the facial at home. I personally never go to parlor, only for my haircut and for my eyebrows. Remaining all things I do at my home. So I thought to share this video with you, and I have shared this video. I definitely recommend this facial kit to everyone. Give a try. This is a very good facial kit, and yeah, that was a small review kind of video regarding this facial kit. I hope you have liked this video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There is a very good stuff going to come on my channel. And yes, that's all for today's video. I hope you like the video. I will be super soon catching with the new video. Till then, bye.